I'm Heather Marshall.
I'm Gail Martin.
And we're going to do some fun experiments. Today, we're going to start with an experiment about rainbow water. Are you ready to do it? What's your favorite color?
Orange. Orange. Red.
Well, aren't you glad the world isn't just black and white, that God made the world so full of color? Today, we're going to figure out a mystery in our Mystery Science Lab, and we're going to find what new colors will form in our empty cups. But before we do, let's remember all about science experiments, that God is the one who made all the laws of science, and God doesn't change, so the laws of science never change. He created them all. They were true long, long ago, and they're true today, and they'll be true forever. Well, it's awesome to know that in a world where things can change and even be hard sometimes, that God never changes and is always good. His goodness includes making the world in color. So let's see how we can make the colored water walk from one of the cups to the next. And we're going to make mystery colors. Some of your favorite colors might be yellow, red, or blue, and those are called primary colors. Some of your favorite colors might be orange or green or purple, and those are secondary colors. Our goal today is to make orange, green, and purple appear in our empty cups. How do you think we're going to do that?
How do you? By mixing colors.
That's right. Secondary colors are like orange and green and purple are made by mixing together combinations of red and yellow and blue. Today we're going to watch colored water travel to empty cups to make new colors without even having to mix the water ourselves. There's a big word scientists use. They call this capillary action.
Caterpillar? Caterpillar?
Not caterpillar, capillary. Capillary action means water can move through materials, but not all materials. Only some materials will work. So we're going to fill the empty cups using capillary action, and we have to use the right material for the water to travel through. We're going to be using paper towels today. So we're going to watch the water travel from the full cups to the empty cups. So we need water, food coloring, and empty cups. And we're going to demonstrate the experiment for you. So the first thing we're going to do is fill the cups with water and fold our paper towels. Micah, can you pass me a paper towel? Thank you. Joel gets one too. We're going to fold them in half.
Me?
Like a hot dog.
Fold it in half.
And then in half again, so that our paper towel looks like a caterpillar.
There you go.
Okay, go ahead and fill the water.
Micah,
in
do you
your
want to put
cups.
some water to about that line right there?
Yeah.
All right.
Now remember, kids, we're starting with our primary colors. So only red and yellow
Now that one, we're going to leave this one empty.
and blue. I have green and I'm not going to use it. Set that one aside. Okay, we got some water. We've got some paper towels. Now parents, your paper towels will need to be cut or torn on the end so that they're not too long. They should only be just long enough to go from one cup to the other without touching the bottom by about a half an inch to an inch. So you're going to shorten the paper towels a little. No, hot dog. Yep, there you go. That's good. Set that aside. Just like that. Gil will.
Like this?
Now, Caleb will do red since red is his favorite. You can each put some drops in. So Micah, put what would you think? Maybe 3 drops or so. It's up to you guys how many drops you want to put in there. Maybe 5. Let's do 5 drops.
Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent.
Okay.
Well, that means it will.
Joel, you gotta take the top off. There you go.
Good.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
And now stand back so Caleb can, well, we might need to
Oh,
move
that
this
one looks
closer for Caleb.
yellowish blue.
Yeah.
Caleb's gonna put,
1, 2, 3, 4.
good, okay, that's good.
That was fast.
Put the cup
He
back.
just went.
Okay, so we're setting up our cups with red and yellow and blue only. Now we have empty cups in between.
No water.
Those are the cups that are gonna fill by themselves. Okay, do we have short enough?
I think so.
So we're just going to put them over the edge. Sorry, buddy.
And wait a little bit. Okay, that was.
And one more
We need one here,
there.
and we need one there.
And one more. We need two more. Okay. Do we have any professional color mixers in the house?
Yeah.
Do you guys know what two colors mix together to make which?
Yes.
What do you think, Joel? Make a prediction.
Red and yellow makes orange.
Makes orange? What do you think, Micah?
Red and blue. Orange.
Okay, that's a prediction. Caleb, do you know any color predictions?
Red and yellow makes purple.
All right, well, we have some predictions and we'll test them out and see if any of these predictions are right. So this will take about 10 minutes and we'll watch to see the color as it walks up the paper towel and down into the empty cup.
This one's already starting to happen. Can you see the color coming over the top? Pretty soon the blue will be coming over the top. Yeah.
Isn't that amazing? Some of their predictions turned out to be true and some of them weren't quite right. We saw that the red and yellow mixed together make orange, and the yellow and blue mixed together to make green, and the blue and red mixed together to make purple. That's amazing! Aren't we glad that God made our world in color?